Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are gonna show you how to prepare this delicious cheesy spaghetti. This dish is much healthier as it has less oil and contains less masalas in it. It takes only 5 minutes to prepare. So let's begin. We'll first begin by adding 1 packet of spaghetti in 1 liter of boiling water. Now add a packet of chicken stock. Now close the lid and let it boil. So the ingredients are 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and some roasted cashew nuts. The cashew nuts are optional. We'll also need 1 medium-sized diced capsicum, 1 medium-sized diced onion, 1 sliced pepper, and 1 medium-sized diced tomato. Make sure that the tomatoes have We will also be adding half cup of mozzarella cheese as we are trying to make cheesy spaghetti. Now mix it well before the cheese melts. Now add 1 tablespoon of hot sauce and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. We are adding this so that we can get a sweet and sour taste. More mozzarella cheese at the top and rest it with some roasted cashew nuts, pepper, and some more hot sauce. Now let it steam for 2 minutes. It's very cheesy and delicious to taste, and if I as a kid can make it, then can you. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.